cries of Israeli hostage families rise over yet another city. This time it's The Hague, the Dutch city synonymous with international justice, where they've come to demand Hamas's leaders be charged with war crimes.
After 131 days of their loved ones being held captive, the hostage families have resorted to this, coming in front of the International Criminal Court to demand justice.
But they know this isn't the final stop in their pursuit of justice.
It's another step in our fight to bring our families back home, and another step in our fight against Hamas.
Today, that step begins at Israel's international airport, where about 100 hostage family members arrive for yet another early morning flight to yet another country. Another day fighting for their loved ones' release. They arrive carrying signs and wearing shirts and hoodies bearing the faces of brothers and uncles, daughters and sisters, all captives in Gaza.
She whispered to me, "Shani, they caught me."
Those were Eden Yerushalmi's last words to her sister Shani before the phone line went dead on October 7th. Since then, Shani has been fighting for her sister.
So we are optimistic, but you know, it's been more than 4 months, and we worried about her. We all fear that the world will forget about them.
But aboard this flight, at least they know they are not fighting alone.
It's sad to say, but I'm happy, I'm glad that we are not alone in this, that Eden is not the only kidnapped.
The circumstances gather us together, and we meet a lot, and we talk a lot.
But no amount of camaraderie can assuage a mother's pain.
131 days and nights that, we cannot breathe. We cannot breathe anymore.
Nor dim the dreams of being reunited with her son Itai, a 20-year-old Israeli soldier who is also a U.S. citizen.
I dream about Itai a lot. In my dreams, he's in the Red Cross van, waving to me, smiling, because always he has a big smile on his face. And he will say, "I'm okay. Why are you worried so much? I'm okay."
But during the trip, it becomes clear that the negotiations that could free the hostages are at an impasse. Frustrations with the government of Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu growing.
Until Itai is home, it's not enough. Obviously, they're not doing enough if Itai is not home after so many days.
Negotiations is like a net of lies. Okay, that's our negotiation of time. Everybody are lying or playing part of the negotiations. No one really can know what happened, but it's not the top priority as I see it.
In the meantime, the wait is agonizing.
We're trying to be optimistic, but the longer the days go, it's getting harder and harder.
The Bibas family still holding out hope that Shiri and her 2 red-headed boys are alive, despite Hamas claiming they were killed in an Israeli airstrike.
And for Shiri and the boys, we act as if what Hamas said never happened. We believe and we have faith that they are still alive, and we are still demanding them back.
For the hostage families, there is power in those demands and in raising their voices together.
We have more hope that things will change. We hope to change things for us, for Itai.
Do you feel the
power, the energy, the vibes?
Jeremy Diamond, CNN, The Hague, Netherlands.